Hey, can I get some pizza? Oh, I know. Workout time. Come on, come do some, come lift some weights. Oh, perfect timing too. Oh my. Fuck. Whoa. Wow, dude. No, I know. Wow. Yeah, that's cool, man. I know. Oh my god, yo, that's fucking dope. Woo! Oh, let's go. You did, congratulations. Yeah, you did. Really? You fucking kidding me? You're not looking over here, are you? Yeah, she's not looking over here. That's great, bro. I'm down. No, I didn't actually. Like, dude, she like squeezed in between us. Not impressed. Calgary drivers for you. Who? Really? Because I'm slowing down right now. Oh yeah, she is pretty cute. Hi. Hey, she waved back. Yeah. You know we're real Canadians when we're riding on motorcycles and there's snow on the ground. Streets haven't been swept, streets haven't been cleaned. Yeah. But you know what? Bike life, let's get it. I think this marks the end of the video. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and go subscribe to the channel. Cody and I will be doing way more videos this year. Let's go. Take care, guys. Peace.